Hello everyone, welcome back to Code Step by Step. My name is Anil. This is a part 9 for Vue.js project, and in this video we will learn about how we can make login page. Keep in mind, in this video we will make login page, not integrating login API, right? We will do it in the next video. So let's start with the points of this video. First of all, we will make a component for login page. After that, we will define route for login page. We will create a link so that let's say user is already registered with our website or application. After clicking on that link, user can jump on the login page. We will do it that one also. And at the last, we will add some style to the login page. Before starting with this video, I want to share some information with you. If you are looking to purchase domain name or hosting, then you can purchase it with the Domain Racer and you will get multiple benefits from here. You can see that plans are just started with the 59 rupees per month, and they will provide multiple type of hosting. Here you can see that you can purchase the shared hosting, reseller hosting, VPS hosting, whatever you want and whatever suits to you, you can purchase from here. And one more important thing is that they provide you free website builder tool. If you are not familiar with the code, or you don't want to make your website with the coding, because everyone is not good at all in a coding and designing and all, so that you can use that tool and develop your website without coding also. So now let's start with the first point, and let's make a component for login page. So where we can make component inside our components folder. So let's create a new file with the name of login.vue, and let's create a template tag, and we also need to close it like this, and we can add some text for a moment. After that we will change it, let's say login page or something, right? And now let's define script tag, and we can close this script tag also and just export it. Export default, and we can put our component name. It can be anything, but I already preferred the component name same as the file name, right? So now login page is ready. So how we can check out this page on here? For that we need to make a routes. So let's go to the routes.js and import this file. Import login from components login.vue, and that's it. Now we can make a one more object for defining the routes and path. Now our route name is login, and what component we want to load on login component itself, right? From here to here, and path can be, let's say, login. So now let's see, is it working or not? So whenever I'm putting here login, here you can see that login page is working fine, but user cannot directly write the routes from here, right? Because he don't know what is the route for login page and all. So for that we have to make here some links so that we can show that user can just go to the login page if you want to go. So now let's jump on a login page, and let's make a p tag here. Let's close it, p tag. It's not password, it's p, and here we can simply define here a route, so which can be, let's say, router link like this, and we can close it with the closing tag also, router link like this. And let's add here some text like, say, login or go to login, whatever you want to put, and 2. That means we have to provide here link. Which one link? The path link, right? So just directly put here login here. Now let's see, is it working fine or not? I think we have to just refresh it once. Whenever I've been clicking on a login, the login page is here, right? So now let's add some input fields on here. So for saving the time, what we can do here, we can just copy this all code from here to login page, right? And we will make our necessary changes here. right? We can write it here also, but I already told you how you can make v model and all, and how you can just placeholder, and how you can make button and all. This is very simple, and here you can see that we already created this form in the sign up page. So here we can save our time. So first of all, let's put here login text. Now after that, what we can do here, on the button we can also just write here login, and here we want to go on a sign up page, so just simply put here sign up, and here just to choose the path. What is the path for sign up page? Which is sign up, like this. So just put it here. Now let's see what we are getting here on a sign up page. On a login page everything is fine, but there is a one more extra field, because for login we need only email and password, we don't need name. So we can remove the name from here, right? We can format it for a moment so that we can just show it better. Everything is fine. We can go on the sign up page, we can go on the login page, right? And for a moment I am removing this click event also, because there is a no sign up function, right? We will make it later whenever we will integrate the API. So now one more thing is how this login page get styled, because we did not add any style in login page, because it automatically catch the style from global CSS, and global CSS includes sign up page CSS also, right? Because this is not a good way, because in a sign up we have some style and this is applying on the login page. So what we can do here, we can just copy this CSS from here, actually cut the CSS from here and add the parent component of both one, which is app. So let me add here a style. It will still working fine. Here you can see that there is a no style breaking things, and everything is working great. But here you can see that we applied here a class register, but this is a login page. So let me add here a login class, and after that, as we are just remove the class login, that here you can see that the style is now you can see the smashed. So how we can handle it? For that, let's go to the app.view and add the another one class, which is dot login input, right? And with a similar way we can also add here dot input button, and again we will get the perfect style. So thanks for watching this video. If you still have any queries, you can ask me in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and like this video. In next video we will integrate API for login page. Bye bye, take care.